because they have yet to ask for.
The NPP-led MDA has stated that as long as all legislators are made aware about what is spoken by the governor and an English translation of his speech is circulated among all the members, there should be no objection. This comes after the opposition VPP announcement that their MLAs will not be part of the proceedings of the Assembly if the Governor, Phagu Chauhan, addresses the House in Hindi and the Assembly Secretariat does not arrange a translator. Cabinet Minister and MDA spokesperson Ampareen Lyngdoh said if Hindi is to be spoken in the Legislative Assembly, it must be ensured that the majority of the non-Hindi speaking legislators be made privy to what is being said by the governor.
Legislators should be privy to what is being said by the Honorable Governor. We must remember that in this landmark addressal of the Legislative Assembly, the Governor, who is the administrative head of the state, comes before his house, his assembly, to tell the assembly the plans and programs that we have in the next 5 years.
The state government's move to relocate